Hello guys, so the long story short, my car has been losing coolant for some time and it's still losing. Initially I thought there was some leakage, maybe in the radiator or the tubing, but after examining the whole engine I couldn't find such leak. So after testing the coolant system with a tester for carbon monoxide, my fears came true. There was and there still are exhaust gases in the coolant system, meaning the head gasket has blown. But the good thing is that the leakage is not so big, because there is no boiling inside the expansion tank and the car is not overheating despite it's winter over here. As you know, replacing the head gasket is an expensive repair, so I decided to give a try some of these additives available on the market, sealing additives, and my first pick was Holts SealIt. It's a little red bottle. Unfortunately I threw it away, but it claims that seals all kinds of leakage inside the engine and the radiator. The bottle contained some sort of heat-activated polymer, and you don't need to drain or flush the system before you use it. You simply pour it inside your expansion tank, or if your cooling system cap is on your radiator, inside your radiator. Unfortunately, Holts didn't fix my issue. I'm still losing coolant and I still have exhaust gases inside the coolant system, and furthermore, as you can see over here, after using Holts, I have this foamy thing inside my expansion tank, which I really doesn't like it. There should be only pure coolant, but I hope you see it. So my next step was to pick another sealant, this time from Carlube Engine Block Sealer. Again, it states that it doesn't need to drain or flush your system. This time the composition is different. It contains some sort of copper particles which should block and seal the leakage, but who knows. Again, like I said, you don't have to drain your system, but as I don't like both additives to mixed up, I will drain and I will flush the system with the Carlube radiator flush. So let's give it a try. So guys, on most vehicles there is a draining plug at the bottom part of your radiator. You have to simply unscrew the screw and the coolant will start leaking. So let's begin. And here you go, a little bit messy, but this is the whole coolant I managed to drain from my car. The coolant system's capacity is 6 liters, but here we don't have even 5, even 4 maybe, I don't know. So let's fill the coolant system with clean water, mix it with Carlube radiator flush, rev the car to high revolution for 10 to 15 minutes, and again we'll have to drain the system and then add clean antifreeze and engine block sealer. Okay guys, let's see how Carlube radiator flush looks like. It's some sort of yellow liquid, I don't know the composition. Okay, it's all inside. So we started the car with clean water and a radiator flush inside the system. This is the temperature of the coolant right now. Let's see the expansion tank. Let's open it for a little while. Okay, you can see the mixture of old coolant, water and radiator flush. Well, it's taking some time to rev the car because it's not so hot the weather outside. 86-87 degrees Celsius is the temperature at which the thermostat opens, and okay, you see now the temperature starts dropping, meaning the thermostat had opened, and now the coolant is circulating through the radiator also. I will continue revving the car for a couple of more minutes. So the coolant system is flushed, all is empty and clean. It's time to add the new antifreeze. It's a G12 Plus Premium Long Life. Well, last step to pour in the Carlube Block Sealer, but first let's take a look at its composition. As you can see, it's brownish, I don't know, stuff. Okay, let's pour it in. Done. Guys, so here is my test setup for a carbon monoxide tester. Here is the tester, and this is the whole setup. So with this pump you suck air from the cooling system to test for exhaust gases. So for now it seems that the Carlube Engine Block Sealer did the job and sealed the leakage. We will test furthermore and we'll update you. Okay, bye.